Everyone, this is Stephanie. Welcome to another video. So it's time to open Eureka Crystal Beads collection for May, and this collection is called the Featherlight Dance Beads Collection. So I haven't seen this yet, so we're going to open it together. Okay, for those of you who aren't familiar with the collections, this is a beautifully curated collection of bead stones, findings, all kinds of beading goodies that Eureka Crystal Beads offers on their website, generally monthly. They have a whole bunch of beautiful collections available, and they're also starting to do some light collections mid-month. So lots going on Eureka Crystal Beads website, so check it out. I'll put a link to the collection and the website, of course, in the description below the video. So let's take a look and see what's inside. Everything comes beautifully packaged. So great gift for the beater in your life. I mean, this is so awesome. And look at these colors. Oh, so pretty. Let's take a look. Oh, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? That hummingbird? That is beautiful. So let me pull everything out and we'll get started. Okay, you've taken the picture out. We'll get to the beads in a second. Here's your list, and we have this little inspiration paragraph. And it says, a flicker of movement, light as breath, an unchoreographed dance in the morning glow. Wow, so descriptive. And then bright, deep colors, sweet pass and a blur, emerald green, vivid blue, fiery orange, etc. So you can kind of read the rest yourself. Here's our list. So this is everything that is in the collection. And we have everything is categorized by seed beads, Czech glass beads, Krakowski crystal, Preciosa crystal, Chinese crystal, Eureka basics. I don't know. I will have to take a look at that. That's interesting. Cabochon stones. Wow. And findings. There's a lot in this collection. All right. So here's our picture. I'm going to open these up and we'll take a look at everything individually. I'd just like you to get a look at, the theme of the collection, the color story here. So I pulled all the, all these crystals came in the bag, but I just wanted to put them in my hand. Look at that. Look at that sparkle. We'll get to these, but here's everything. So here's the color story. Let's take a closer look. So we'll start with the seed beads. So we have Miyuki seed beads. We have 3 Miyuki round seed beads, 2 11-0s and 1 15-0. So 11-0 in this pretty gold. Look at that gorgeous color right there. Another 11-0 here. And then we have this, look at this beautiful 15-0 in sort of a pretty lime green. It's beautiful. And all of these are 10-gram tubes. So let me pull in so you get a real close look at those beads, those colors. Gorgeous. Okay, look at this beautiful Delica. Gorgeous, with 7.6 gram tube, Miyuki Delica. Then we have a bugle bead. Look at that gorgeous bugle bead. That looks kind of like a maybe green iris or blue iris. That's beautiful. And here I'm going to open these up. This is a mix. I want to take a look at that. That's pretty. So this is the mix, assorted seed bead mix. You get 10 grams, and I believe I see some little drops in there, like Miyuki drops. We've got bugle beads. We've got some little hex cut beads, some 15-0s. Look at those pretty colors. Gorgeous. I love that they do the mixes. I just think it's perfect. Next up we have Czech glass, and we have a 3mm fire polish and a 4mm strand of 50 each. Look at that gorgeous, gorgeous blue. That's stunning. And look at this green. I love these colors together. Stunning. Love those. One of my favorite beads I haven't used in a while is the Czech O bead, and this is a really nice matte, isn't it? That's beautiful. Gorgeous. And then we have a 2-hole gem duo. So this is the regular size 8x5mm and a gem duo. Can you see? Let's see. There we go. Really pretty. I love the matte. So gorgeous. Next up we have a mini gem duo. Isn't that pretty? So these are, the gem duos are in tubes. This was in a 2-inch tube. And the regular size is in a 2.5-inch tube. Really pretty. And the O beads, I should have said this, are a 5-gram pack. those gorgeous colors. Love them. Next up we have the Krakowski crystal. And look at these 3mm pearls. These are beautiful. A little puddle of pearls. And those look like sort of the champagne color or taupe color. I love that color. So pretty. Put you down. And then here you go. Here's your crystal accent mix. You get 12 crystals. And look at those beautiful. Look at those colors. That looks like green sphinx to me. Maybe not, but look at this. Looks like light topaz. Look at these shapes. We've got a pear. We've got a round. We've got the chatons. These are just beautiful. Look at that sparkle. Gorgeous. Look at this gorgeous pop of Preciosa crystal. 4mm bicones. Look at that color. I think this color is called hyacinth. I'm not 100% sure, but it is so vibrant. My lights wash it out a little bit, but it is such a beautiful, vibrant color. Isn't that stunning? Love. We have Chinese crystal, and we have this beautiful rondelle 3x2mm strand. A lot of beads on that strand, and look at that gorgeous sort of spring green color. Beautiful. Look at the sparkle. I love my rondelles. So pretty. These beautiful teardrop glass beads. These are Eureka Basics faceted teardrop glass beads. They're 12x8mm. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that gorgeous color. Okay, next up we have a Luna Soft Lucite Cabochon, a round one, 18mm. Look at that beautiful color. It's like the sun, isn't it? Gorgeous. That is so pretty. I love it with the greens too. That's stunning. Okay, let's look at all the findings on my hand. We have Gleamcraft toggle clasp. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? And it is it's an oval 19mm. You get one set. And look at that. I love how organic that looks. It kind of looks like melted gold, doesn't it? Oh, that's pretty. And then we have a Gleamcraft ornamental pendant bail, 15.5mm. And this is really cool. Isn't that pretty? I like that it's thin and stamped. It looks like it's stamped. That is really nice. Beautiful. And then we've got a Gleamcraft ball post earring with side-facing loop. That's this guy. I love that the loop is facing that way so you can put beads around it so easily. And then we have cymbal bead ending for gem duo. So you have all the gem duos in the collection. And here's the ending right there. Let me pull in super tight so you can see it. You get 6 of them. That's this sort of like a triangle shape. That's kind of cool. So you get 6 of those. And then we have a mini charm color glass rectangle. 9x4mm, you get 4 of those, and look how pretty that color is. So these Gleamcraft, findings are pretty nice. And so are the charms, and they're all very pretty. I love the gold color. It's a really nice gold, like sort of more pale. Hey, here's your Featherlight Dance Beads collection, and I just think it's gorgeous, these colors. How could you not love these colors? Look at this. Look at the sparkle. Look at how pretty. Beautifully curated. I just think it's stunning. All right, so I'm going to put a link in the description box below the video to this collection and to their collection page as well. There are so many beautiful collections available on the website, so check those out as well. So I want to thank you so much for being here. I can't wait to use these. This is just beautiful. All right, see you soon. Bye-bye.